Hi, I'm Rebecca from VMP Performance, and I am going to go drive Track Attack. Hey Joe, I heard that Track Attack made a lot of power yesterday. Like, how much power?
1140.
1140. Okay, I want to drive it.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Thank you.
No problem. Make sure you're wearing your seatbelt. Have fun.
Thank you. So I'm gonna head outside and get to the car, and then we'll go for a ride. All right, Track Attack looks unscathed from the outside. And here we are. All right, so I'm starting up an 1100 horsepower rear wheel horsepower car. Yesterday, Joe took Track Attack, our $100,000 SEMA bill from 2016 to 2017 GT with a stock Gen 2 Coyote, our brand new Gen3R blower, and made a bunch of horsepower. Like Joe said, he made 1141 rear wheel horsepower. Depending on how you think about drivetrain loss, it's probably around 15%, so upwards of 1300 crank horsepower. Freaking amazing. And something that I can drive to Starbucks if I want to, which is what I'm doing right now. We were not only looking at supercharger durability, but we were also looking, doing some research and development on our new fuel system. It's a plug-and-play system. It comes with dual Marlboro 465 pumps. It's plug-and-play essentially. It comes with the pre-cut lines. We run 70 base PSI, so there's no problems with fueling at any point. So, and it is, you know, set up to support a lot of horsepower, which is exactly what Track Attack did. If I didn't know it was upwards of 1100 rear wheel horsepower car, I wouldn't know. I mean, the car drives with mild manners. It's phenomenal, and knowing that power is there is just insane. It's kind of like being a kid in the candy shop, or knowing that I have a ton of power. I guess I feel like Thor. Thank you. It's a 17. Thank you very much. Thanks. So, gentleman just stopped me to tell me that he liked Track Attack. I like Track Attack too. I especially like it with 1140 horsepower. Okay, so let's see if they can hear me over Track Attack. I would not be surprised if they can't, because I'm really quiet. Thank you. I have no qualms about the drivability so far. The throttle body development and the calibration that Joe worked out work phenomenally as far as I'm concerned. I'm just amazed that after an 1100 rear wheel horsepower, 1100 plus rear wheel horsepower pull on the dyno, that I can just drive to Starbucks. Like, it's wild to think about, quite honestly. It's not something that I had ever foreseen as a possibility when we started this years and years ago. Thank you. Have a good one. Thanks. I think if my dad, when I was born, if he ever thought that he was a big car guy, I don't think that he ever would have imagined that his daughter would drive an 1141 rear wheel horsepower car to Starbucks like it was nothing. And that's exactly what we're doing. I'm driving it like it's nothing. Okay. driven great. I'm not stranded on the side of the road. I didn't need the luck that Joe wished me. Everything went really well. So I just got finished driving Track Attack. We're back here at the VMP Ranch. Parked Track Attack. And with 1,141 horsepower, it drove just like any other Mustang. Not that I'd be able to get the traction on the street, but it was definitely really, really cool knowing that it was there. And like I said, I had a blast driving the car. I am super excited for what we're gonna do with Track Attack next. And if you want to hear more about that and find out more about what's going on at VMP, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.